Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda Odyssey garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. Make sure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries for reliable signal transmission. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any previous programming from your home link system by holding the 2 outer buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which takes about 20 seconds. For most modern garage door openers, you'll have a rolling code system. Begin by pressing and holding the desired home link button in your Odyssey. While holding it, simultaneously press and hold your garage door remote button until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Next, press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit. Finally, return to your Odyssey and press the home link button you just programmed 3 times to complete the process. If you have an older, fixed-code garage door opener, the process is slightly different. Hold your garage remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Press and hold both the remote button and the desired home link button simultaneously. Release both buttons only when the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a solid light. Once programmed, test the button to ensure your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work, try repeating the steps. Sometimes programming can be a bit tricky, so don't get discouraged. Always consult your garage door opener's manual for any specific instructions unique to your model. Ensure your vehicle is parked within a reasonable range of the garage door opener during programming. If you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some great deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful items. If the initial attempt fails, simply repeat the programming steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.